spicy or home-style chicken sandwich, crispy or spicy 10-piece nuggets. But let's be real. You're gonna get those 20 spicy nugs for $5. Only at Wendy's.
This is nothing new. Throughout our history, anytime something bad has happened to us, we've recovered. Every time. We fall, we rise. We break, we rebuild. We stumble, we learn. We come together, we work together. We innovate and create. We meet up and get to work. We find our way forward every time. This has been the key to our survival, the key to our growth. That whenever we thought we were at our weakest, this is when we became the strongest, became the best version of ourselves, and found our way home together.
Smokey over there bugging out.
Massimo.
I just bought a new rug and it got a bunch of cats on it. He think I've got a bunch of cats in the house. He don't know what to do. He's trying to sneak up on it.
Works from home. But she can handle pickup, even when her bladder makes a little drop off. Because Candace has poise. Poise under pressure and poise in her pants. It takes poise.
The fighting spirit is one we all share. It's the steady beat in the story of Anderson .Paak. The story of his immigrant mother, raising 4 children on her own. His own story of a man who came from nothing.
This is a 3D camera. He swear to God, the cat just jumped down. He retarded.
Anderson .Paak found his fighting spirit. Since 1923, it doesn't matter where you come from. It matters what you're made of.
You really think it's some other cats?
My journey to natural hair wasn't easy, but now I feel beautiful.
New Amplified Textures from Dove. A moisture amplifying blend formulated to nourish curls, coils, and waves that shine through.
My hair, my way.
New Amplified Textures from Dove.
That's a car, and this is drive time. We make getting approved.
I knew he was gonna bug out with this rug. I knew it. That's why I ordered it.
Big time.
Well, drive time, you have a 99% chance of getting approved, and it only takes 2 minutes. So, grab your phone,
Got it?
go to drivetime.com,
Uh-huh.
fill out some basic info,
Check.
and
I got approved. That was easy.
super easy. Easy! Go to drivetime.com and shop thousands of available cars now. You can see vehicle photos, history reports, features, and see your real down payment all on your phone. Easy.
Having difficulty streaming your movie is annoying.
I guess you have to get them cats.
Mobile and stream all you want.